all players are fighting. Being as the Malawians, we are so excited, and all both technical panel and players, because it's the first time to qualify for the World Championship, and this is the first time to compete in Wafcon. So as to me, as Menye, we are so happy together with my fellow players, and when we look forward for the World Championship next year, 2027, and we'll go there to compete, not to participate. But I'm sure we're going to do better.